Hello guys, you can see I have $300 on my account. How do I start? I start with $2 and I earn $300 just by doing something. Watch the video to the end to find out. So welcome to my channel. This is Hacky Reviews. I make videos on how you can make money online and how you can earn money from cryptocurrency, side hustles, online business. You can check my about page. I'm Shitu Ajibola. I make videos on side hustles, online business, entrepreneurship, cryptocurrency, and how to make money online. You can also follow me on Twitter where my username is Hacky Reviews. On this page too, I show you ways on how you can make money. You can subscribe to my newsletter, which I have over 323 subscribers right now. You can subscribe and I will teach you how to make money online. And now, let's go back to where I make my money. I make my money from this website named YeBet. Let me reload. You can see this is YeBet, and I make money online, my $300 from just playing games. I said from just playing these games. You can see them, they are fair games, they are live casino favorite, and so on. You can just choose one and you play and you earn. So how do I do it? I'll show you right now. Watch and follow me. So let me show you guys this. You can see this is my account. Let me show you guys how you can log in and how you can register. You can check up my link, my referral link from the description box, so you don't have to stress yourself typing it. Just click straight from the description box, click on the sign in button. You can see it says welcome to the cryptocurrency paradise. Start your money making journey now. It has security, efficient, and it is fair and funny. So all you have to do is to just come here on this sign up page and type your email address and your password. Just click I want. Let's make an example of this email. I want to make money online at gmail.com, and after that you input your password. After you input your password, and you click login, and you can also log in directly with your Gmail account, and then you start making money online. So I already have an account with them. I earn my money with these games. So let me show you guys how I earn. Let's start with this dice game. Okay, it says this game is under development for PC mobile version, so it will only show for your mobile version, but you can still also use your mobile version to play. Just click please confirm. If you want to continue, click on the confirm button. It will take you where you can actually play with your mobile phone, but you can still use your system to play. This is a system version, but it will display to you as if you are playing on your mobile phone, but you can also use your mobile phone. I will show you that by the right side of this side. You can log in using your mobile phone. It's not compulsory you use your laptop or your desktop. So as you can see, it's displaying right now. It is showing a frame of a mobile phone. So you can also do that on your system by just playing. So let's cancel this. It says join now. Okay, after that you can see here it's showing me the dice game, how I can play it, instruction on how I can follow it to play. Say please place your bet here. The system will randomly generate the results, and you can choose the result, predict, and no matter how many dice you can win. You can see, just click on next. It's showing you again how you can calculate the odds. You see someone just won over 123,900,000. You can see it just gets 1 point correctly for each. So just click, so you can see the odd. Just click on got it again. Then let's move on to, you can see now, you can just come here and place your bets, and after you place your bet, it will be showing some 5 seconds to stake. You can stake any amount, but firstly let's log in so I can stake, show you how I do it. So I already have an account with them. I will just come here to log in with Gmail. That is very an easy way to log in into your accounts or any accounts. Just scroll down. Let me scroll down and select my registered email. Okay, this is it. Okay, one moment please. So it's login. See, I want to show you guys step by step on how I turn my $2 into $300. Just click cancel. You can also deposit now if you don't have any funds on your account. So let's click cancel for now. I have $300 plus dollars. Let me show you how I earn it. So click on games. See, these are games I make my money from. Let me change my balance to USDT so I can play a game and show you how I turn my $2 into $300 just by playing games. And again, if you are from another country and you would like to change your language, just click by the right angle, change it to any language you want, then continue. So now let's click on this dice game. You can see so many people are playing on this channel. Let's click on this dice game so I can show you how I earn my $300. You can see now it is showing me staking period 5 seconds, and so many people are earning. So you can see the minimum amount you can stake is 0.15 cents to $784 USDT. So let me stake $1. Let's click on 1. Let's click on this. See, maybe I will win. Let's bet $1. So let's see. Stake. I think I lose that. Let's take again. Yeah, stake $1. No loss. Okay, let's go again. Can just minimize your risk because this game is a risk. All you have to do is to stake amount you can lose and make sure you are playing this game in a wise game. As you can see now, my balance is reduced, but let's try one more to show you how I actually turn my $2 to $300. Let's click on this one. Again, it is taken. I'll just take $1 again. Let's see amount I can earn. Okay, let's watch. It's counting 2 seconds, 1 second. Okay, as you can see, it said I won $2 just by staking $1. Imagine I stake $5. Imagine I stake $10. Imagine I stake $50. Just imagine how much I will earn. You can see other games too. You can see this ELO is also a card game. So let's click on it to see how it goes. You can see here it says here is a pack. Here is a pack of poker. A is the smallest and K is the largest. Please place a bet and start the game. And after the game starts, the system and so on and so on. Just click on this. Click on this. Now you can see, let's take $1 as usual. You can see this K and this is A. So let's click start game. Okay, let's click it. Now my first card is 9 diamond. You can see it shows me to choose whether the next card will be highest or will be lower or will be the same, but with a percentage showing under that, I will actually go for the highest percentage, which means the card is the same with number but not with the sign. Let's try again. Now it shows, let's check the one with the higher percentage. The higher percentage is the one smaller. So, but if you are done, you can actually cash out to see any amount you have won. But me, I'm a risk taker. Let's go. Let's try one more time. You can see this is an alphabet. Let's go one more time. Let's try the highest percentage is high. Let's click on this. Okay, show me 4. Let's go one more time. I'm a risk taker, but don't follow my step. You can actually cash out your money and see how much you have earned. Now let's see the amount I have earned. Maybe I have lose all my money, or I have cash, or I make a gain. Let's see, maybe it's loss or profit. You can see, congratulations, I just earned $4 just by doing this within 1 minute. Just taking your $1 and you earn $4. You can imagine how much you will make just by putting $5. You can see my amount have increased. You can see again so many So many people who are earning. You can see this person earn Shiba. So many money. This YeBet currency. You can see over 13,000, 7,000, 4,000, and so on. You can also make that. Imagine, see my balance now. I have plus 300 USD dollar. You can also check about for other currency. You can stake your own with other currency or with other cryptocurrency. Now let's go back and see again. You can see the other games you can also make your money with. Now this is my amount. I have 300 plus right now. 300 plus. So there are so many games coming up, showing up later. You can just keep playing the present one. Just make sure you minimize your risk. Now let's go back to the system version. You can see again, this are the game. You can see now on here my balance is yet. So let me just reload. Let me reload. There are so many people earning. You can see someone earned over 30 million Shiba. 30 million Shiba. You can see people are earning big money from this website. You can actually do that too. You can see so many money. You can see this BTC. You can see Doge, 5,000 Doge. This will be the worth right now. The worth of this Doge right now, So you can just come here, start with just $1.2 and you start earning money every day. You can see the top biggest winner on this website is a Doge earner. 9,000 Doge. Know the worth right now. I'm very sure if you are following my channel, you know I'm a big order on Doge. I love Doge. I'm a fan of Doge, big fan of Doge. So imagine you coming here to stake just $24 Doge to earn 9,000 Doge. So don't miss this opportunity. Now let me show you the deposits. Just click here on the deposits and show you how the minimum and you can deposit, the maximum, the minimum you can withdraw, and so on. So you can see the Doge. I'm a big fan of Doge. So you can see the withdrawal. You can see the minimum you can withdraw is 72 Doge, and let's check the deposit. Deposit is 24 Doge. Imagine you just start your journey of making 9,000 plus Doge with just 24 Doge. Just imagine. So all you have to do is just come here. Because this is my USDT account. I have over $300, and I can right now I can withdraw my profits, which is $2 plus, and I can also withdraw my capital later. But right now, I can only withdraw my deposit. So you can check your deposits. Let's check the deposit and see and let me show you the minimum you can start with, and you start making your own $300 maybe weekly, depend on how you play this game or how you make use of this game. Now let me show you again on another way you can make more money. So just scroll down. You can check about this app to trust them, and then again to another make money, you can click on this referral friends. You can see my link. You see this link in the description box. You can click this link and we both earn money. So again, this you can see people, other partners of this website making use of this website. Now let's go back to the games. I think I've been able to explain this website in a very detailed way for you to make your first dollar online. I hope you guys enjoy. Follow my other accounts, subscribe to my YouTube channel, subscribe to my newsletter, and subscribe and follow me on my Twitter page. And also you can also check me out on this page where you will learn on how to start business on my Gumroad, my ebook. You can buy my ebook. They are most of them are from $0 to $10. You can get it and you start making money online just like that. And all this book are quality book. Again, you can follow me on all my other social media From here, you can just learn. You can get this book to learn. You see over 800 sales on this book. This book will teach you about how to trade crypto, your side hustles, how to manage your money. Just click I want this and you get it straight down in your email address. Follow me on my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching these videos. I hope I am not too fast in explaining this. I just want you to have the full details on how I turn my $2 into $300 just by playing games. Thank you for watching.